Hi Kia Hyundai channel, my name's Gabby. In today's quick Kia class, I'm going over a quick tip to teach you how to stop your power folding mirrors from also being power tilting mirrors. Now this could be very helpful for you. It is a function that we have in just about all of our power folding mirror cars. However, if you're a shorter driver like me, or just based off however you like to sit, they could actually be really impractical for you. So what exactly is it? I'll demonstrate it first off and then show you how to disable it or turn it back on. First things first, you're going to make sure your vehicle is on, and then you'll drop it into reverse. Pay attention to this mirror over here because you'll notice it's going to go from pointing upright to pointing downwards. Check that out. It's very subtle, but it can make a pretty big difference depending on how you like to sit and drive. Now when I move my mirror toggle over to the middle portion, the next time I drop my car into reverse, it will not tilt down. It'll stay in its fixed mirror position that I as a driver have preset. Now this again is extremely helpful for you if you do frequently reverse into parking spots. If the timing is right and the angle is right, you can perfectly see the lanes beside you and your wheels. However, again, depending on how you like to sit, you may see absolutely nothing, and that is my problem. So just a quick flip of the toggle and you could change that to be either off or on. And again, just to simplify it, if the toggle is in the very center, it will toggle downwards. If it's off towards the left or the right side, your mirror will stay fixed whenever you throw the vehicle into reverse. You can always flip it again, it's totally fine. And this isn't just a Kia or Hyundai tip, it's actually available on most vehicles with power tilting mirrors with the same operation. So hopefully you can figure out how to turn it on or off. Thanks for watching, leave a like on this video if it helped you out, and a comment. Bye-bye.